Welcome to Digital Diva Designs, where creativity turns into passive income. With AI, you can create stunning journals, planners, and guided notebooks in minutes without graphic design experience. Upload them once to Etsy, Payhip, Shopify, or Amazon KDP, and each sale becomes passive income that continues while you sleep. Business planners, gratitude journals, faith journals, affirmation books, the possibilities are endless. Start building passive income today with AI journals by Digital Diva Designs. Create it once, sell it forever.